This skincare business is all about, people want to spend money on, they want result quick quick sharp sharp, so we have to also deviate and also do the promix part that will help boost whitening. So yes, I do both. So me a WhatsApp if you want to get your hands on our product. And our product is not like the one people always come and give excuses, and you need to allow your skin to breathe. Yes, our skin texture varies, and you sometimes, if you've exposed your skin to harsh bleaching chemicals like steroid or or bad chemicals, fine, you need to first of all repair your skin. But when you are into a product, you're using a skincare product, and they giving you excuse that, oh, you need to allow your skin to breathe because you use their product and you notice that you became fair, then later you start noticing you're getting darker, and then you went to the skincare and you're now telling you, oh, you need to allow your skin to breathe first. That means where you're getting ingredients or what you're using to formulate it, something is wrong with that ingredient. It might be a fake product. Yes, there are loads and loads of fake products out there, fake ingredients. We have those that are organic formulators, so that formulates plainly organic. I deal with organic, and this skincare business is all about, people want to spend money on, they want result quick quick sharp sharp, so we have to also deviate and also do the promix part that will help boost whitening. So yes, I do both. So if you want, so my customer, they know, so but this is organic. There are things that we do. Your promixing, you don't want to make it too much. You don't want to overdo your promix. You don't want to overdo your organic, because at the end of the day, you will trigger reaction like green veins, stretch mark, white patches on your clients. So you don't overdo it. There is a way you promix. There's the percentage of products you need to incorporate in it. And if you get the fake product who used to promix or to formulate organic product, at the end of it, everything will amount to zero result. You will not get the result that you want. Your client will not get the result that they want. So where you sort from product matters a lot. Secret hint I do tell my customer that uses our Knuckle peeling oil. Our Knuckle peeling oil is a very mild peeling oil that will help get rid of stubborn dark knuckle, and people that have used it, they can testify to it. It's not the aggressive one. For those of you using the aggressive one, you don't need it. If you're using it, you need to discontinue, because at the end of the day, it's still gonna make it to look worse. I asked my customer to get a goat milk powder, which they will dissolve in a cold water and then dip their hands in it for a period of 10 to 15 minutes. Usually this should be done twice or three times a week at night. That is after using the product, because goat milk powder consists of large amount of lactic acid. The peeling oil is amazing.